Okay, so when you have a worksheet, maybe just full of formulas, and you want to maybe document that, we actually have a macro that you can run that will create a new worksheet and list out the cell addresses and what each of the formulas are in those cell addresses. It's just a really kind of a cool geeky feature here. So the way this works is I'll show you the code here that we have. This is the code, and this would allow us to create the page. So that's what that is going to do for us there. All right, and then it'll create a sheet for us with all the formulas on it. Then, if you want, you've got a macro here that will actually delete that sheet. Well, that's fine and dandy. But you can also just do a right click on a sheet tab and say I want to delete it that way too. But it's a convenience thing, so you can put that in there as well. All right, so what I'm going to do here is we're going to go ahead and select all of our code here. So I'll start from the top, and there's the first chunk, and here's the other macro. We'll right click it, we'll hit copy, all right, and then we'll go over into our developer tab. We'll click on to Visual Basic, and we've got our module 4 there. We're at the bottom, so I'll just click over there, right click it, hit paste, and then I'll go in there and remove the tables that I had copied along with it. So there's the first one, or the second one, I guess. And here's our first one. So backspace that off, and then that's it. So there it is. Man, that thing is packed with macros. All right, so now we'll close that up. And then the next thing we'll do is we're going to add the macros to our macro ribbon here. And I think we'll put it in the two of them in our faves group here. So we'll go back into File, go down to Options, go over to Customize Ribbon, and we'll find our faves, and we'll click onto that. There it is. And then we'll go here and list out our macros. And we'll go find our list sheet here. So there's our list all formulas. So we'll take that, and we'll drag that underneath the last one here. And up towards the top here was our clear formula sheet, this one here. So we'll take that one, drag it down there. There we go. And I'll make this a little bit wider so you can see that. There it is, okay. So clear the formula sheets or list of all formulas, right? And then we'll go back to the first one here, hit rename, and I will click there at the beginning, get that, and then pick something that I haven't used, even though it doesn't matter. Okay, there we go on that one. Then I'll do this one here. We got the rename, and then I'll click there again, and all right, and I'll pick another picture. Let's see, which one will we pick? I'll do the butterfly this time. All right, so hit OK. There we go. Hit OK again, and now we'll go back to our function sheet, or it really doesn't matter what sheet you go to, really, because if you've got multiple sheets, it'll do all the sheets. So you'll see over in the faves area, we've got our list all formulas, right? So we'll go ahead and watch this. I'll click on that. Boom. It creates a new sheet. And here's the sheet name here. So if we had additional sheets with formulas, the name of those sheets would be in here. Shows you the cell address that the formula is in. Shows you the formula. It even has the old-fashioned formula here. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So got them all in here. A lot of different formulas. It's a nice little deal there. Now, again, if you wanted to get rid of this, you could just right-click the tab and tell it that you want to delete it. But you can also just click on to clear formula sheets. So I click onto that, and it's gone just like that. That's actually faster than having to right-click it, tell it you want to delete it, and then say yes, I really do want to delete it, and go from there. So that's it. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Probably not the most popular thing, but it is something if you need to need to document, that's a great way of doing it. So appreciate you watching the video. Take care.